Hi, I'm Luke from Go Industrial, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble our pump kit. To start off with, we have our suction line, which goes from a 3-inch down to a 1-inch, which then leads into a ball valve with a hydraulic fitting. From there, we have our 1-inch suction hose into the left side of our pump, the inlet. It runs through our pump into our filter housing, and then from our filter housing, it goes into the meter. So from our meter, it runs out the other side with another hydraulic fitting, and it leads into your 6-meter long hose into your nozzle holster. With this pump kit, we've made it quite simple to mount. We've got a box section, drilled a hole in the middle of it, and we're just going to clamp it to the 2 pieces of angle that have already been pre-mounted in the tank. So you got 1 bolt either side of the pump that's used to mount the pump to it. You'll have 1 for a supporting arm for the meter, and you'll have 1 behind the nozzle box as well. So between the pump and the filter housing, we have an O-ring because the pump face is a flush face and the filter has a O-ring slot in it. And that's the same on the meter to the filter. The filter still has that O-ring slot and the meter has the flush face to it. To mount the pump, you'll have to put the bars in first and then rotate them around into position. And you can let a little bit of weight off. But then from there, you'll have to do up the 2 bolts either side of the pump. So this works the same way as how the pump is mounted. So just pretty much X-fold it and just swing it back in together. Put your bolt through there once the pump's in position, and then you can do up this bolt here to clamp it down. So there's not much difference between the Con petrols and the Con diesels. The main difference is the pumps, the filters, and the meters. You still have a 6-meter hose, and you still come from a 3-inch or 1-inch suction, but pretty much the overview is 3-inch to 1-inch suction into your side of your pump. Your petrol pump will push it through into your filter, which then will go into your meter. Between your pump housing and your filter, you have 2 hydraulic fittings, 1 female, 1 male. So it's nice and easy to put together. You just screw it on. Between your filter and your meter, you just have a thread tapeable or gluable hex nipple. And from your meter, it'll go into your 6-meter long hose with a hydraulic on the end. So it's nice and easy to put together. And then it will take you into your nozzle and your nozzle holster.